Next, we're going to look at the HD Dome. The HD Dome is a versatile and easy to install unit. We first introduced the HD Dome 2 years ago. Recently, we've added the HD1 Dome to the range, which is Cat 18. Multiple mounting options are possible, including pole, wall, and flush mount. The design virtually eliminates signal loss between the antennas and the modems. However, this does mean that your SIM cards might be hard to access. That's where the SIM injector comes in. The SIM injector has 4 PoE Ethernet ports, so you can power the HD Dome over a network cable up to 150 meters. Okay, so now what are the advantages of the HD2 Dome? So let's start with the obvious one. HD1, single cellular, HD2, dual cellular. The Cat 18 model is a single cellular version, the HD1. So all of the HD domes are shock and vibration resistance, as well as having an IP rating of IP67. These models are designed to be installed outside. So can anyone tell me why we don't have an HD2 Cat 18 model? Okay, Ted Skimmer's got it straight away. Yeah, there's no room for the 8 antennas. This is the interior of the HD2 Dome, and we've got 4 antennas in there. There's simply not enough room to have 8 cellular antennas and a GPS. This is also why we don't have Wi-Fi on the HD2 Dome. Okay, so what are some advantages of the Dome? So it can be installed high up, allowing for the best signal. Using the SIM injector, it allows you to easily change the SIM cards remotely. So yes, the HD Dome is compatible with SIM injector and Fusion SIM Cloud. These are some Dome installations that have been done by some of our partners. So as you can see, it can be mounted on a pole or on the mast. So it's up to you to decide how you want to install it. So the Dome is great for basic connectivity. It's easy to install and it's compact. So another question, if a client has a piece of equipment which requires PoE, for example, for a CCTV camera or a Wi-Fi access point, which model would you recommend? Post your answers in the comments. Yeah, so everyone's going with B. So B is correct, but the HD Dome also does PoE on the LAN as well.